Welcome to Kumaruuu. In this coding series, we'll tackle TCS NQT coding questions and provide step-by-step solutions. Join us as we unravel the world of coding challenges. TCS NQT coding series, where we unravel the intricacies of TCS NQT coding questions. Join us on this coding journey as we explore solutions and decode the logic behind each question. Whether you're preparing for an interview or simply honing your coding skills, this series is your guide to mastering TCS NQT coding. Let's dive into the challenges and emerge as coding champions. In this session, we're diving into the TCS NQT coding questions for September 2022, specifically addressing Day 2, Slot 1, Question 2. Let's explore a unique supermarket pricing challenge and develop a Python solution together. In this problem, a supermarket has a unique pricing format. Each product has a code represented by a value n. The price of the item is calculated by multiplying all the digits in the value n. Let's design software to compute this price. Let's take an example with the input code n as 5244. The product of its digits 5, 2, 4 is calculated as 5 into 2 into 4 into 4, resulting in 160. Hence, the output is 160. Now, let's break down the steps in the solution. Step 1, get the input code n as a string. Step 2, initialize the variable price to 1. Step 3, iterate through each digit of the input code n. Step 4, multiply the current digit with the current value of price. And Step 5, print the final computed price. Now, let's move to the coding platform to write the code for this problem.
This world of bits and bytes, where challenges arise. Kumaruuu is here to demystify, guiding us through the heights. TCS NQT coding, a journey we'll embark, solving problems together, leaving a lasting mark. So we'll crack the code of success, yeah. With Kumaruuu as our guiding light, we'll progress, yeah. From algorithms and data structures to lines of code, together we'll conquer our skills, we'll show you explode. In this world of bits and bytes, where challenges arise, Kumaruuu is here to demystify, guiding us through the heights. TCS NQT coding, a journey we'll embark, solving problems.
Now, let's delve into the step-by-step explanations for the Python code. In Step 1, we start by capturing the user's input as a string. The input function prompts the user to enter the code n. This code is then stored in the variable n. Remember, we treat it as a string because the code can have multiple digits. For example, if the user enters 5244 as the code, n will be assigned the value 5244. This step essentially captures the input code that represents the item in the supermarket. In Step 2, we initialize the variable price to 1. This variable plays a crucial role in calculating the product of the digits. It serves as a running total that accumulates the multiplication results as we iterate through each digit. Starting with the value 1 is essential, as it acts as the identity element in multiplication operations. The price variable is the foundation for the subsequent steps, ensuring an accurate calculation of the final product. Step 3, iterate through each digit of the input code n. In this step, we use a for loop to traverse through each character in the string n. The loop variable number takes on the value of each digit during each iteration. For instance, if the input code n is 5244, the loop will first set number to 5, then 2, then 4, and finally 4 in successive iterations. This loop is crucial for processing each digit individually and serves as the basis for the subsequent multiplication in Step 4. In Step 4, we multiply the current digit with the current value of price. Here's how it works. The loop iterates through each digit of the input code n, and for each digit, we convert it to an integer using int number. Then, we calculate the product by multiplying it with the current value of price. This result is then assigned back to the price variable. This process repeats for each digit, updating price cumulatively. It ensures that we get the final product representing the price of the item based on the supermarket's pricing format. Now, let's conclude our code. Step 5. Print the final computed price. In this step, the print function is used to display the final computed product, price, of all the digits. The variable price holds the cumulative result calculated during the iteration through each digit in the input code n. The print price statement outputs the final computed product to the console, which will be visible when the Python script is executed. This is the result of multiplying all the digits together, representing the price of the item based on the supermarket's pricing format. For example, if the input code n is 5244, the product of its digits, 5 into 2 into 4 into 4, is 160. Final code, let's put it all together. In step 1, we take the input code n as a string. Step 2 initializes the price variable to 1. Step 3 uses a loop to iterate through each digit of n. Step 4 multiplies the current digit with the current value of price, updating it cumulatively. Finally, in step 5, we print the final computed price. The Python code is structured, efficient, and successfully solves the pricing computation challenge. We successfully solved the TCS NQT coding problem. Stay tuned for more problem-solving videos in this series. Thank you for joining us in solving this TCS NQT coding problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more coding solutions. Stay tuned for upcoming videos in this problem-solving series. Happy coding!